Hi there. You might be wondering about this motivation assessment scale that's listed here without any context. Let's take a look at it. So the motivation assessment scale is one scale used to help a person determine the function of a behavior or what the student is trying to achieve after engaging in a certain behavior. Let's take a look at it. So we have some important information to document here at the top, and then there are some pretty clear instructions for filling out the form. But essentially, you have a number of prompts about when, where, and why a behavior occurs. And you're to rate the behavior, or someone who is experienced with the student and the behavior would rate the behavior. And then the person who is trying to gather the information can score it. And this is how you score it. These are the prompt numbers. So number 16 is down here. So whatever your score is on 16, say it's a 5, you put a 5 on this line. For 15, say it's a 0, you put a 0 on this line. So you have documented all of your ratings here. Then you add up the columns to get your total score. You get your mean score by averaging the 4 scores, and you get your relative rating based on that. So say you have a 3 for sensory, a 3 for escape, a 20 for attention, and a 10 for tangible, then you would rate this one as a relative ranking of 1, 2 for tangible, and then 3 and 4 for sensory and escape. In this case, you would know most likely the function of this behavior is attention. The student engages in the specified behavior to obtain attention and to an extent to obtain a tangible, right? So that's the information. The reason why I'm going over this and why you need to know this is because it comes up in the discussion for this week. So when you watch the Super Nanny episode on Tristan, I hope we all like Super Nanny. I know I do. You have to complete the motivation assessment scale on what you know about Tristan. I know you don't know a lot, but just to do your best, give your best guess at the answers so that you have experience taking and scoring that motivation assessment scale. And it can help you with the process of answering this question for your discussion. Okay, so be ready to see some real life action here on Super Nanny. Have fun with that. Bye, y'all.